if you watch this video.
And don't like or subscribe, I won't judge you, but your 2025 self might. Because if you don't learn this now, you'll be watching everyone else win. Wondering why you're still broke? Let me tell you something real. The skill of marketing is more valuable in 2025 than any degree, certification, or job title you can list. You could be the best at what you do, but if no one knows you, you don't exist. In the next few years, attention is currency. No attention equals no business. Look around, people are going viral for things as simple as talking, reviewing, teaching, or just showing up consistently. Meanwhile, businesses are spending thousands begging for that same attention. Here's the truth: if you learn how to market, how to sell, and how to create content, you're no longer just chasing opportunities. You become the opportunity. Every future millionaire in 2025 and beyond will have one thing in common: they knew how to market themselves, their ideas, or their product. Whether you're building a brand, freelancing, selling a service, or trying to grow on social media, marketing is the core. Not optional, essential. So if you're still thinking marketing is just ads, you're already behind. Learn it now, use it daily, and watch how the world opens up to you. Like, comment your 2025 goal below, and if this woke something up and you hit that subscribe, because next time we're going deeper.